Hello, today I come to a very good woodworking machinery manufacturer in China. This factory is mainly focused on the 45 edgebanding machine and the high quality straight line edgebanding machine. Now follow me. We go to have a look at the factory's production. Now we are in the factory already. They have 1, 2, 3 workshops. This part is the unit assembling part. All the units are assembled by themselves, designed and assembled by themselves. You can have a look. Yes, go on. This is the spare parts stock. And these are the units which are finished assembling. Behind me, this is the machine assemble part. Many types of 45 edgebanding machine is assembling here, which is very good quality. And the machine behind me is one of the very popular one in China. Here with 45 sewing with pre-milling. With 45 gluing and pressing system, snipping unit, fine trimming unit, something like that. And we also have high level one, which all servo controlled. Make you more easier to change the height of the straight part. Can do 45 with straight part and pure 45 edgebanding. So the sewing unit, you can see it's servo control, and the pre-milling unit is servo control, and also the gluing unit servo control. A very nice machine. These are some other machine types which can do air-shaped wooden door edgebanding. This is a special machine which can do 90-degree straight line edgebanding and also 45 edgebanding. This is also servo control to adjust the height of the straight line part. And this is a gluing unit, and this is a roller pressure system. This is the corner rounding system when you use this machine as a straight line edgebanding machine. Yes. These are the raw material. This is the sizing, panel sizing, and the welding machine. You can see that one is the machine body. Except the 45 edge banding machine, this factory also produce high quality, high technique straight line edge banding machine. I want to show you. Here, the machine behind me is a high quality edge banding machine, which with laser function and with the edge magazines with 6 edges can change the edges automatically according to the board, and from the infeed part is servo controlled. And the pressing system is servo controlled. And also the infeed system of the edges is by servo motor. And the horizontal snipping unit, fine trimming unit, also servo control. And the corner rounding with one head, high-tech in edge banding machine. And also the striper, servo controlled. And the flat scraper, servo control. Yeah, a very high-tech edge banding machine you can see in China. Yes, many machines already ordered. Except that, yes, this is the machine which I just mentioned, which can do the air-shaped wooden door edge banding. They are all servo-controlled. You can input the air-shape dimension, and the culture will be servo-controlled. And then this is gluing and pressing system, press the edges on the door, snipping unit, fine trimming unit, that's all. And the machine behind me, this machine is a JC shape machine, which can do JC shape with 2 layers. With the first step, edge banding the first edge. This is the second one, edge banding the second edge. The main purpose to do in this way is to let the J shape or C shape more smooth. You can see more smooth, not rough. Yeah, maybe it's not easy to see by the video, but it's good. Yeah, these machines are all have been sold. So, if you are looking for good quality edge banding machine, please contact me. I am Leon in China. Thank you.